So this here is the bending brake that VERKTYGSBODENS in Sweden sells. It's rated to 1.2 millimeters. We're gonna upgrade it a bit more and make it work a lot better. And I'm gonna get the welding table outdoors, so I'm gonna bring it outside. We're gonna do some cutting, and then I'll show you some of the weak spots in this thing that the old owner found out, and we're gonna reinforce those. This thing won't really be 100%, but it's gonna be 95%, and that's about 90% better than the rest of everything I have. Now here we can see a few of the weaknesses. As you can see, this here isn't welded all the way down, so when you weld bending small pieces of material, you put a lot of weight on this part of the bender. So what we're going to do with that is we're going to weld a flat iron all the way through it. A smaller one than that thing and a thicker one. And then we're also going to put a bigger one up on top here. And that's going to make it a whole lot stronger. And it's going to go all the way from here to here. So let's see what kind of materials we have laying around. Let's get the welder out. Now we're gonna let it cool down so it doesn't get warped. We're also going to do the same thing here with this one. We're also just gonna put that one on top of there, and then this thing is gonna be about as strong as it needs, I think. So we're just doing some more doubling up here. So we're replacing the handles with a regular screw because it got way too annoying. And we're gonna lubricate these up real good using only the best stuff. Oh, it's upside down. The Kuko Special Grease number 69. The guy that named this at the factory in Germany must have had a laugh for 4 or 5 days after this. It works good though. So this is 1.5 millimeter thickness, and it's put in the worst position, the center. So let's see how the band looks or doesn't look. Definitely takes a bit of force to use, and I overbent it, of course. That there will be good enough for anything I'm gonna do. So now I just gotta figure out some projects to do with this thing. Yeah, right, there was one more thing I would like to do to this thing, but as I said, I can't really. And that would be here, because when you tighten this down, this here piece bends over. So this would have needed to be at least twice the thickness, but to successfully do that we need a slot for the bolt, and I don't really have a way to do those now without a whole lot of grinding, and I'm not gonna do that now. So, well, you can't finish every project right away, then what are you gonna do in the future? So now we just gotta get some paint onto this thing, and at least a few parts of it, and then we'll be done. So now we just need to let that dry for a few hours, because for once I actually bought new paint that won't take 2 months to dry.